And already you have taken some spoken English class. Continue. And you came here regularly in my class, participated. And how much have you learned in my spoken English? Maybe spoken English. Just I am trying to. Name please.
My name is Ari.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Goa.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Your name please.
My name is Janata Reddy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Goa.
You are from Goa. Where are you from?
I'm from Kodavara.
You are from Portugal. Where are you from?
I'm from Goa.
Okay. What class are you in?
I'm in class 5.
You?
I'm in class 5.
You?
I'm in class 5.
You? You?
I am class 6.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite person?
My mother.
Your mother. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Would you please tell me about gardening? Something, 5 or 6 sentences.
Hobby means especially like to something. I am a student. My hobby is gardening. It gives me pleasure. The garden is beside my living room. There are many flowers in my garden. It keeps me fit and fresh. I love my garden.
Thank you very much. How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Too loud. There are 4 members in your family. Acha. Can you please tell me something, 5, 6 or 3 or 5 sentences about your family?
Okay. I live with my family. My father name is Altamsar and my mother name is Shifali. My father was a banker and my mother is a housewife. I have one brother. He is diagnosed.
Okay, thank you very much. Nice. So, do you have any friends? How many friends do you have? A lot of friends in your class. So, would you please tell me who is your best friend?
My best friend is Neem.
Mim. You can say something, 3, 4 or 5 sentences about your best friend.
My best friend name is Neem. She is 4 sister and 1 brother. She is looking for very beautiful. She read in class 3. His favorite color is pink.
Our favorite color is pink.
Mm.
Okay, good. You are Mr. Sifat. Okay. You are in class 5. So, do you have any daily routine?
Yes.
You maintain your daily routine every day?
Yes.
Okay. When do you get up?
I get up at 6 in the morning.
And when do you go to sleep?
I am going to sleep at 10
10 a.m.
a.m.
Okay. What do you do after getting back from going to sleep? What you will do? This is called daily routine. Can you tell me about your daily routine something?
I get up at 6 in the morning, then I brush my teeth. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock, then I go to school. My school is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Then I go to home. Then I go to coaching for the read book. I return home at 6 p.m.
And when do you take rest?
I take rest at 8 in the night.
At 8 p.m. You came home, you return home at 4 p.m. Then you come to coaching. So you have no time. Okay, so you have to take rest after coming to school, then 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then you can start your coaching. You can play in the afternoon. Okay, thank you very much. Those who are participate here, I am very pleased. And maybe day by day will be improved. Huh? Hopefully will be improved. And you are all the brave person. And don't look back. We are going ahead and we will learn something in English and try to speak it without hesitation.
Without any hesitation.
Without nervous. Okay, thank you very much. Nice to meet you.